In the last lecture, we have studied about the internal structure of kidney. Internal structure of kidney consists of two zones. Outer zone is known as cortex and the inner zone is known as medulla. The medulla zone, it consists of 15 to 16 conical structures known as medullary pyramids. These medullary pyramids, they open into a minor calyx which are 7 to 13 in number. Minor calyx, they open into a major calyx which are 2 to 3 in one kidney in number, and these major calyx, they open into a funnel shaped structure known as renal pelvis. Through hilum, renal artery, it enters inside the kidney, and renal vein, it leaves the kidney. Now we will study about nephron. What are nephron? Nephron are structural and functional units of kidneys. Each kidney contains nearly 1 million complex tubular structures called nephrons. Let's study about the structure of nephron. In your class 10th, you have studied about the structure of nephron. It consists of glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle, and collecting duct. Now we will study in detail about the structure of nephron. Each nephron, it has two parts, glomerulus and renal tubule. First of all, glomerulus. Glomerulus is a tuft of capillaries formed by the efferent arteriole, which is a fine branch of renal artery. Blood enters the glomerulus through an efferent arteriole and leaves it through efferent arteriole. So, glomerulus is formed by the renal artery. Renal artery, it forms a fine branch known as efferent arteriole. Then efferent arteriole, it further form fine branches known as the capillaries. These capillary form a network known as glomerulus. Now these capillaries, it give rise to efferent arteriole. Okay, so this is the structure of glomerulus. And what is the function of glomerulus? That it take place in glomerular filtration, take place inside the glomerulus. About glomerular filtration, we will study in detail later on. Now, next part is renal tubule. The first part of renal tubule is Bowman's capsule. The renal tubule begins with Bowman's capsule, and it is a double-walled cup-like structure which encloses glomerulus. Glomerulus, along with Bowman capsule, is known as Malpighian body or renal corpuscle. We can see here, glomerulus along with Bowman capsule is known as Malpighian corpuscle or Malpighian body or renal corpuscle, and these lie in the cortex region of the kidney. You can see this is the renal cortex part is mentioned. So these lie in the renal cortex of the kidney. Let's study in detail about the structure of the Malpighian body or Malpighian corpuscle. Bowman capsule, it is a double layered cup-like structure. So its outer layer is known as the parietal layer, and its inner layer, which is in contact with the glomerulus, is known as the visceral layer. The visceral layer of Bowman capsule. This is the visceral layer of Bowman capsule. The visceral layer of Bowman capsule is made up of epithelial cells, which are known as podocytes. So these cells are known as podocytes. So the visceral layer of the Bowman capsule, or you can say inner layer of the Bowman capsule, is made up of epithelial cells, and these epithelial cells of the visceral layer are known as podocytes. Podocytes are arranged in such a manner that they leave a minute space between them. These minute space is known as slit pore or filtration slit. Okay, so these are the podocytes of Bowman's capsule, and these podocytes, they have space present between them known as slit pore or filtration slit. Now the glomerular capillary, their membrane is made up of endothelial cells. So the glomerular capillary, its membrane is made up of endothelial cells. So this membrane is known as endothelium, and these endothelial cells also have pore present between them known as fenestrae. So now it shows that two pores are present in the layer of the Bowman capsule and glomerular capillary. The pore present in the endothelium cell between the endothelium cells of the glomerular capillary is known as fenestrae, and the pore present between the podocytes of the Bowman capsule visceral layer are known as slit pore. In between the endothelium of glomerular capillary and visceral layer of Bowman capsule, one more membrane is present known as basement membrane. So these three layers, endothelium with fenestrae, basement membrane, and epithelium of visceral layer with slit pore, forms the functional structure of Malpighian body. It forms the functional structure of the Malpighian body, and it helps in the ultrafiltration of the blood.